Number one, it has a black box warning on Ozempic, Wegovy, Zepbound, Trulicity, Byetta, you name it. All of them have a black box warning that this Gila monster venom and the venom protein, for those interested, is called Exendin-4, EXENDIN-4. That's what they isolate from the Gila monster venom and inject inside of you, or tell you to inject inside yourself. The black box warning is within 12 to 36 months, you will develop medullary thyroid cancers of all kinds. But oncologists around the world, after seeing my interviews about this drug being made from venom, have told me it's not thyroid cancers they're seeing in all their Ozempic patients. It's exploding breast cancer diagnoses in them. You're going to see every form of cancer from these drugs, period. All right, so Ozempic has black box warning. Thyroid cancers, breast cancer. Number two, FDA just added another warning that it causes gastroparesis. Do you know what that is, Seth Holthouse?
I can try to guess, but what is it?
Paralyzed stomach for years,
That was my
meaning
guess.
you will vomit every day for the rest of your life. And there is a CNN article from last year says hundreds of thousands now have paralyzed stomachs that cannot be reversed for years after stopping Ozempic. And they're losing their jobs, can't take care of their family. They're puking all the time. Look it up. CNN Health, hundreds of thousands, paralyzed stomach, Ozempic, and they go into the whole thing. Oh, it's also published to cause pancreatitis. Anybody with diabetes, this drug is promoted for diabetes. It is published. It worsens and speeds up diabetic retinopathy. Do you know what that is? You will be blind faster if you use those drugs. Seth Holthouse, did you know that Ozempic, made by a Denmark company called Novo Nordisk? Do you know that no country in Europe has approved Ozempic to be given to any of their citizens? Only America is buying it. And do you know that in 5 years since our FDA approved it, they have earned $2.21 trillion in sales from Ozempic, Gila monster venom drugs, just so you know. Ask your doctor. Okay, so this is a question and answer. I'm going to ask you all a question. Ask your doctor if you're diabetic and overweight because he believes you are Gila monster venom deficient.